So you want to learn about birds. Why do they look like they do? What makes them them? How are they able to fly, but we can't? Well, with the help of MS Paint, I'll explain the reason why we have these animals today. Alright, so birds came from dinosaurs. How? Well, it's thanks to evolution. No, evolution doesn't happen like in Pokemon, when an animal suddenly transforms into something else. Evolution is when organisms change over a long period of time. But how does it work? Natural selection. It's the process that causes organisms to change, and it requires four factors to work. Every bird is genetically different because of differences in their DNA. This might be because of mutation or because of crossing over during meiosis. In a group of dinosaurs, there might be some that had different shaped feathers or different sized bones, kind of like how in humans some people are taller or shorter or have different colors of eyes. Overpopulation is when there are more offspring created than will survive. This means that if a dinosaur lays 10 eggs, then it's a low chance that all 10 will make it to the mating stage. The reason why they might not make it to the mating stage is because of in an environment, there are a limited number of resources, space, and mates. If an offspring is not able to obtain food or is spotted by a predator, then it won't survive. This is why having the ideal traits are so important. Organisms with better traits, like faster running speed, have a higher chance of surviving until reproduction. If an organism survives and finds a mate, then they will have offspring. Because organisms with better traits have a higher chance of mating, then their offspring might inherit those traits as well. For example, a dinosaur with shorter tail might have offspring with smaller tails. This process repeats over and over again with every new generation of animals. This results in the population changing a bit at a time. They may get feathers that are a certain shape that help them glide better. Their bones might get lighter. They might lose tail bones. Eventually, this means that dinosaurs will die off while birds will thrive, because birds have traits that help them survive better in the current ecosystem. But birds are constantly evolving with every generation as well. New species of birds will appear. In fact, some birds evolved to get rid of flight altogether in favor of other traits like running or swimming. The point is, flight only happened thanks to millions of years of evolution and natural selection. Hope you enjoyed the video.